Hello everyone, and thank you for watching these tutorial videos we prepared for the usage of the Spark software, especially when it comes to administrative functionality. The great thing about videos is when we're not around, the videos are around, so you always have a resource to lean against. What we're going to be looking at today is the administrative panel dashboard. This is the dashboard you see upon login, so what we're going to do here is log into the system, and you can see the dashboard is the very first thing that pops up. In this case, what we're looking at is the default installation of Spark with the 4 default panes. That is the popular content, the latest transactions, the visitors, and the quick links. The popular content basically shows the most popular content and the number of visits it's received. The latest transactions are those financial transactions which have come into the system. Visitors are a week-by-week breakdown of how many visitors you received on a daily basis. And the quick links is basically the system studying what you're doing and then drawing the links for the most used panels for you. Now, the nice thing about Spark is that as new modules are enabled or disabled, panes will disappear and appear inside of the dashboard. The panes try to assist you with giving a quick snapshot of what's going on within that module so that you can either act on it or at least be aware that something has happened. The other nice big thing about the dashboard is that while it does come standard with Spark, the entire dashboard can be customized for a client's particular purpose. So if you have no interest in these panes, we can fully rework the dashboard for you so that it allows you to maximize either productivity or interaction between different members of your team, or just help along with your process so that instead of having to dig down to a specific item, you have a process drawn right on the dashboard, which allows you just to log in and get right to work. Well, that is all we have for this dashboard initial video tutorial. I'd like to leave you with these videos are quite interesting to make because it's not something that we're used to. So any positive feedback you have for us will only help reinforce us and give us the confidence to continue making more. Or if you have any comments or questions, feel free to reach out by us. You can always reach us by email, the client portal, or by phone. And one last thing I will leave you with, positive feedback on these videos will definitely help us feel better about making them. Thanks very much for joining us.